Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be doing a how I package my orders for Facebook Marketplace. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a like, and if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video by me. And also comment if you guys have any questions on packaging, or if you guys want me to do like more packaging videos, or if you guys just want me to show you stuff, let me know in the comments. And yeah, let's get right to the video. I will be shipping some shoes that sold on Facebook. These Michael Kors shoes, they're brand new, you know, gotta sell brand new or almost like new. But that is what I will be packing, some shoes, and I'll be using this box. This is a priority mail large box. I didn't want to ship it in a poly mailer, but yeah. Okay, so one thing I wanted to explain is these priority mail envelopes and then the boxes. So basically, if the label says priority mail 2-day or priority mail, you can ship it with this one envelope that says priority mail, and the boxes too. If it says priority mail, you can ship it with this box, and the boxes and the envelopes are free. You guys could always order them online on the United States Postal Service website, and they ship them to your house. They're free, so you guys don't have to buy poly mailers or boxes if you guys are shipping through priority mail. And it's very convenient because sometimes it could get pricey, like for boxes. Sometimes they sell them for $2, or sometimes the poly mailers are a bit expensive, or you know, it's very convenient for these to be free. Another thing that I do is I include a thank you card, and I write like a little note on the back, and I tell them like, thank you, you know, happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays. And people really like that. They feel special, and obviously it's good to take the time to thank your customer or whoever ordered from you, and most likely they'll order again. Like, I've had repeat customers like that, because I always tell them like, oh, even with my boutique, I tell them like, oh, thank you for ordering. And you know, I don't know, it just feels good, like, to tell them thank you. Well, that's my own way of doing it, and this is how I do it. But let me tell you, I always get 5 stars. I have like a very high rating on my Mercari, Poshmark, everywhere, Facebook, even with my boutique. Like, they always feel good ordering from me. I think this is why, because, you know, little thank you note. So the very first thing that I do is put this box together, the priority mail shipping box. I make sure that I put the flaps down and make sure it turns into a box. So I usually package my orders either at home, or sometimes when I just go out like to the city, because I live in a town, so I have to go to the city sometimes to ship out to the UPS or FedEx. The postal service is actually in my town, but sometimes I package my orders like in the car, and sometimes people stay staring. So I feel like some people, they don't know how to package stuff, and I get it. I didn't used to know how to package shoes or anything like that. Guys, I still don't know how to use this tape thing. I feel like it's faster just cutting it like with the scissors and the tape. This was actually my sister's tape. I usually just have tape that I cut with scissors. Like, if anybody else has like a faster way, like, let me know in the comments. Like, this is the only fastest way that I know how to do it, by cutting the tape. I hadn't used one of these. I don't know what they're called. I forgot what it's called. So I fast forwarded it because I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to see me struggle with this tape thingy. I struggled with it the other day too, so I usually, yeah, just use regular tape. But yeah, that is how you do it. You guys have to build one of these boxes with the priority mail. And again, like, I feel like it's so good that these boxes are free, because sometimes a box is like $1, $2, depending on the box. And yeah, so this is just me getting the bubble wrap. I usually buy bubble wrap from like Family Dollar. It's $5 for this big roll, instead of paying like $10 at Walmart or any other place. Like, when you guys are reselling, like, you guys always have to look for the best deals for supplies. because it does cut into your profit and stuff like that. And also you guys want to make sure that the bubbles are lining up with the shoe. So for the bubble wrap, you guys want to make sure that it's facing towards like the item that you're shipping and not the empty side, so then it's protected. So bubbles facing like the shoe, so it protects the shoe. Just a little tip. So this is me wrapping the shoe. Remember that the bubbles have to be facing the shoe, or like if you guys are sending like a mug that could break, make sure that the bubbles are facing the shoe, the mug, because if they're not facing, it's not gonna protect the item. So you guys want to make sure that those bubbles are facing up. I remember I sent like a Ray Dunn mug once. Had to learn how to pack it. That was just my printer, guys. I'm doing a voiceover. So yeah, gotta make sure that the shoes are protected, because I know that the postal service, they like to throw packages sometimes. I know Amazon, all of these postal service people, they like to throw the packages. So it's better to be safe than sorry, you guys. Like I know people, well, my sister and my family tells me that I put too much bubble wrap, but yeah, it's better to be safe than sorry. You guys want to make sure that if it's thrown, that it's protected. So I sped up the clip, but this is just me taping the bubble wrap. I like to use a lot of tape, heavy duty tape, because again, these shoes have to be secured because they have to get to the buyer safely and not scratched or anything like that. And yeah, I just put in the box, and I think I have to do the other shoe. Yeah, I still have to do the other shoe. And again, same thing, bubbles facing up, and wrap it around and cut it. It's okay, like if you guys use a lot of bubble wrap, like don't be shy, put some more. Nah, but yeah, don't be shy to put some more bubble wrap. It's better, yeah, better to be safe than sorry. And yeah, so this is just me packing the other shoe. I'm putting lots of tape so it can be secured. And yeah, I just sped it up, but you guys could do it at your own pace. You guys don't have to be like a super fast packer. You know, we don't have to hit a quote, or you guys don't have to hit a quote like at Amazon. So you guys could pack at your own speed. Like, don't worry if you're like a slow packer, like it's fine. So this is what the package will look like when they open it. Very cute. I would include like wrapping paper, but I don't have any. Usually this is fine. 5 stars on all of my orders. So then I just close it up, and yeah, so put the tape. With this tape that I am struggling with, apparently I need to learn how to use this thing. But yeah, guys, watch me struggle with this. I don't know what it's called, but if anybody knows what it's called, like, let me know in the comments. So this is just me taping the box shut and making sure that it's closed. And then I'm gonna get my shipping label and cut it out. You guys can't see my address. So I went ahead and did the shipping label off camera because I don't want you guys to know my address or the person's address. And this is how it looks. All wrapped up, ready to ship tomorrow to the post office. I just have to drop it off. And then they scan it, and then yeah, it ships. Super easy. Hope this helps someone. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, I hope to make more videos. If you guys want any type of video, or if you guys need help, let me know in the comment section down below. I will make a video for you guys if you guys need help. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Oops, my accent came out. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Again, I appreciate each and every one of you. If you guys ever DM me that I helped you ship your Mercari order, or if you guys got sales, thank you for the feedback, and I hope you guys make more sales. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.